We've got our line to show the depth that way, and we've got our marks to show the depth this way. Now we need to start cutting. So this here is called a Tenon Saw. All right, it's got a nice width across here, which means that we can do really straight cuts. As far as how you hold it, okay, hold it in left or right-handed. I'm right-handed, so I'll show you that one. Hold it in your hand like that, and then your pointer finger goes along this edge here. So everywhere where there's yellow is where you put your hand. Okay, very simply, you can see yellow, put your hand there. Okay, the reason that finger is there is that it gives you some adjustment. All right, whereas if you hold it like this, it's a lot wobblier. You can see it wobbling, whereas that finger goes there and it's a lot steadier. Where that finger points is where that tip of the saw will be. So if I move that finger out that way, it comes with it slightly. Don't know if you can see that over the camera. And if you push with it, obviously it's going to go. So wherever that yellow is, hand on, finger. Also called the pistol grip. As far as cutting, the thing you need to remember is that although it's not very thick, there is some thickness to it. So if you cut on your line, all that's going to happen is that you're going to be instantly out. So once you've cut it, you need to still see your pencil line, because that pencil line is where your material needs to be. So if you cut that pencil line, you're instantly out of alignment. So to start off, remember, everywhere where there's yellow is where your hand goes. I always like to use the fatty part of my thumb and rest it here. It's not on the teeth, okay? And that just enables you to line up where you need to get your saw a little better. Do a couple of back strokes to get the groove going. And then all you're gonna do is just start cutting like that. All right. The thing you need to remember, just pivot the shoulder. All right. It's not a matter of going all crazy with it. All right. Just pivot the shoulder, nice and easy. The teeth are sharp. Let them do the work. With this one, we've set what depth we need to go to, so we can just keep cutting until we get to that depth. Like that on this side. Come around the other side, you can check. All right. Make sure you're cutting straight. Okay, because if you cut straight, then your whole joint is going to be out of alignment. Make sure you don't actually cut yourself, okay? It's designed to cut timber. It will hurt you if you use it inappropriately. Used appropriately though, it's perfectly safe. There's nothing to worry about.